Very good morning, dear children. Now, as it is on the screen, this is program of HTML. It's a basic program of HTML. Okay, as it is shown on the screen, it's very clear that very first tag, when we start writing HTML program, the very first tag we give is HTML. And the last tag which we give is /HTML. That is, this first tag indicates the beginning of HTML and the last tag indicates the ending of HTML program. Okay, so these two tags, HTML and /HTML, displays or it indicates that this program, this particular coding or this particular program is program of HTML. So whole coding is done between HTML and /HTML tags. Okay, next is head and /head. Whatever heading we have to give, that heading comes here. Whatever heading you wish to give for your web page, that heading is given between head and /head. Then title is always given between head. So title, title. Then give the title and then add the title, that is /title, like this. Head, title, /title and /head. So this portion means that is this much. This is called head of the program, and which is hardly 20% of coding. Rest of the coding is done between body and /body tag. Body and /body tag. So body and /body tag, it contains rest of the 80% programming of or coding of HTML. Okay, children. So this body, between body and /body, here it's given a simple text, that is text which you want to show on your web page will be given here. All right, it's a simple message which is being displayed with the help of the HTML program. And again, children, as I told you, HTML and /HTML, so these two tags indicates that this particular program is program of HTML. This coding is HTML coding. Okay, so this is basic program of HTML and this is the explanation of this program. If you have HTML editor with you, or if you have your laptop or desktop computer, you can do this program on your computer. You'll get correct output for the program. To run this program, you need to save it with a name and with the extension .html. Suppose name of my program is A. So while saving the program, I have to write a.html. Then only I will get it on the desktop. As you will double click the icon on the desktop, you will get the output of the program. Okay, children. Thank you very much.